a sponsor today, K4 Security and K4 Group. Well, back, I don't know any of you must be this table over here, so welcome to Richmond. I know you've been involved with the club for 4 years, providing security, looking after the club, etc. It's really nice to have you as a sponsor now. I know that you look after events, any security stuff, you do CCTV, you do whatever, and that's really pleasant to have you. You are shirt sponsors as well as the ball sponsors today. You are shirt sponsors, and that's been getting a lot of social media recently, so we've had all the players up on the screen in their shirts, all with your name on, so I hope you enjoyed today. Richmond's a great place and we're really pleased to have you.
Hey, we can do mortgages as well.
Sorry?
We can do mortgages as well.
Now, what I liked about you is I think your motto is large enough to deliver, small enough to care, yeah? And that resonates very strongly with the values that we have at Richmond and what we're trying to achieve as a rugby club here. So I think that's a very good partnership. Thank you very much.
Yeah.